So what we're doing today is we're actually putting a rack kit together. There is a rack mounting kit that is designed to be used on most small format LCD monitors like this particular one over here. This is a 19-inch CCTV monitor for a client of ours. They didn't want to go to the expense of getting a full metal faced rack mount monitor, and also they didn't have the time scale to wait because they're normally about 4 to 5 week lead time. So what we've done here is we've got a Metal Case Pro M19 monitor, and we're actually going to fit it into this rack mount bracket solution that you find here. So my colleague Jacob is actually going to put this all together, and we'll actually put it all together and you can have a look at what it looks like. So now we're putting the second side of the bracket together. So as you can see, the 3 parts. You've got the back panel and 2 sides, which basically work like this. And then what we'll do is once they're through, we'll actually put a nut on this side as well, just to spin it on and tighten them up. And so you've got a range of movement, so whether you want the screen forward, yeah, you can move it up these notches, or backwards, it depends. And that one there, if you can do that one for us, Jacob. And then what essentially happens is we should be able to pick up the monitor and place it into the actual holder itself. So if we flip it through 90 degrees, the monitor should then sit within the rack brackets. So depending upon how far up you want this, so whether you actually want the monitor coming flush to the face of the bracket, or whether you actually want it, you know, offset to a certain size, you've obviously got quite a lot of allowance in terms of the holes on the back there to enable you to pick up on the visa holes on the back of the monitor and do that. This particular client, as I say, wanted something which was going to be fairly low cost but robust and mounted in a rack, and this is going to work. So for further information on anything like this, rack brackets or rack mounted monitors, please give Flat Vision a call and we'll be happy to help you.